Out of the 70cc series saws, we have the 380 of course, and then we have this now 466, which are steel clones. I really do prefer these steel clones, and you guys know I love my steels. I've run steels almost all my life. But I've already had to mess with getting the Husqvarna clones. And this goes back to the same thing when I've had the actual Husqvarnas. It's been a constant issue with the carbs, getting it adjusted, keeping it adjusted, and it's just been a big frustrating factor for me for the steel or even the steel clones over the Husqvarna.
Yeah, I like it. Definitely lighter than one last cut. Thing starts nice. Starts nice.
It's it's a roly-poly slippery thing. So, that was all fun.
Ran out of gas, we'll have to come back and cut this one. Ugh, sucker. Don't want to forget my chain. If you give it a good swing, it'll hang out in there. You gotta push it forward to get it unhooked. But that beats bending over. So, makes life a little bit easier. That cherry makes good firewood. Yeah, I was hoping I cut this whole tree up with that tank of gas, but 460. It's my first time using it, so far I like it. Like I said, I can't really tell if it has a lot more power than the 380. It's only 5cc, but it seems like it does.